What's going on, guys? Psycho Bunny here, and here's a short tutorial on how to complete the good enough calling card for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Zombies.
There it is.
Here's a list of do's and don'ts I wish I had known before I had tried it 40 times. Do's and don'ts. Don't use any augments. I actually turned off all augments for ammo mods, field upgrades, and perks. Quick tip, write down the name of the perk and then assign the augments numbers 1 through 6, and take note. This list will make putting it back together much easier. Okay, where were we? Oh yes, this calling card requires you to use your starting loadout, so I just use my starting gun the entire game. Don't buy any perks, but do check underneath the machines for change. Don't equip ammo mods, but do upgrade your weapon. Don't forget to pack as well. Also, grab all the power-ups you can find. Those are safe. I didn't use any equipment, so I don't know how that affects the game. Next, make it to the end of round 19, and the calling card should pop up at the beginning of round 20. Like, subscribe, and comment if you have a better way to make it through it. As always, thanks for watching.
There it is.
See you next time.